Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to absolutely crush your dreams. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to absolutely crush your dreams. And I got this inspiration by someone called Ed Mylett. He is on YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff, very successful person. And I watched this video and I thought this is actually very true. And I thought that I should absolutely share this with you guys. So the very first, the principle of this is basically doing one more. So no matter what your dreams is, this channel is mostly about, making money online, but this applies to everything else in your life, whether you want to, be more fit, do anything in your life that's more than, some other people maybe. So what you want to do is that the principle I would call is, that one more, doing one more. Because, all of the people around you are going to, work hard. They're going to work smart. They're going to do all these things. And some people are gifted, and maybe you're not like that. Like, I don't believe that I'm gifted with anything about making money online or anything like that. But, you do one more. If you believe that you can make, 5 videos per day, per week, then make 6. If you believe that you can do, 99 push-ups, do 100. If you believe that you can do, whatever it may be, if you do one more all the time, that is going to improve your life so much more. And this is something that so many people do. Like if you look at the top athletes like Michael Jordan and people like that, they always wanted to do one more. As soon as everybody left the court and said, that's over, it's done, you can go home, they were the people that stayed to do one more. Whether it's one more, one more shot at the ball or, something that's one more, then these are the people that actually make it to the next level. It's something that's, if you do one more every single day, that's 300 more times per year. If you assuming that you work 300 days per year, if you work 365, then there you go, that's 365 more than anybody else in that field. So just doing one more every single day, that is going to get you to the next level. That is what's going to differentiate the people that actually crush it compared to the people that, don't crush it as much. So if you start to apply this in your life to every single thing, as much as possible, then that is what's going to get you to the next level. So you really have to be focused on that, to crush it all the time, and this is what's going to make it happen. If you look at all the people on YouTube that actually have successful channels compared to the ones that don't, there is the test of time that's going to, make some impact, because a lot of the people, give up before it actually gets to the next level. But the people that do one more all the time, these are the people that are successful. Like all the channels that make, the people that make, 10 million a year or something like that, or 12 million if they make $1 million every single month, which, some people actually do, and a lot of people do this on YouTube. That's absolutely possible, but you really have to do, take that principle to whatever you're doing in your life, whether it's working out or something else, or, making money online or anything like that. All you have to do is do one more. Maybe you're making phone calls, then, make one more phone call every single day. Maybe it's, sending out emails, do one more every single day. Maybe it's, making email sequences, write one more email every single day. You know, all these things will actually get you like way ahead of anybody else that's just doing what they're required to do. That's what takes the good people and make them like great, that make them the best. So many people are really good at any sports. If you look at, you know, no matter who, like maybe people in the NBA, how are the people going to be different than the average player in the NBA? Because all of these people were great. All the people are really good players. But what makes Michael Jordan different than all these people is actually doing one more. So, you know, I really hope that you apply this principle to everything in your life, because that could absolutely make a difference. So, with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.